Architects, interior designers, have you ever imagined creating stunning visuals in just a minute? Meet Midjourney. Midjourney lets you craft unique visuals using simple text prompts. Imagine typing modern villa in the desert, glass and steel, and seeing it came to life instantly. Getting started is easy. As we see at the left of the screen, Explore. This is where you'll find an endless gallery of AI generated artwork. Use it to get inspired by what others are creating. Create. This is the core of Midjourney. It brings your ideas to life, and this is where all our work will be today. Edit mode. If you make something you love but you want to tweak it, this help you doing that. Personalize. Want to make your experience truly yours. Personalize your settings or add a mood board. As we see here, we have a create standard profile or create a mood board. So as you go through these steps, the Midjourney will generate in create tab a styles similar to yours, or similar to your personality or what you personalize on it, or the mood board that you updated. Organize. Help you to manage your design, save, categorize, and revisit. You can have these filters like pictures, upscales, even image size square, landscape, or portrait. So it's very handy to revisit and to organize your generated images. Let us start with the prompts to generate our images. We have two types of prompts: image prompt and text prompt. In coming days, and this is here the icon for the image prompt, I will be creating a special video dedicated to the image prompt, so stay tuned. For now, I will talk about the text prompt and the structure of it. We should have, like, at first, subject and medium, then environment, lighting, color, and mood composition. It's like, from my experience, it's the best structure to start it as a text prompt. Photo of a realistic villa in France featuring the villa entrance and two-story floors, as well as the material used, from stone to the beautiful details and the glass windows with beautiful elements. Here we can find the subject, which is villa, and the medium, it's a photo. And in this stage, or in this phrase, you should go from the general, from a villa, then and go inside and describe what details you need to see as your subject and your subject. Then after that, we will specify the environment for AI, for Midjourney, and the lighting and the mood of the scene. The scene here is in the golden hour, and the ambience is happy. The environment is France village. The background complements the general theme of the France village life. So let us generate this. As a trick, we can add two dashes and repeat R as a R small letter, and 3 times. So the prompt will repeat 3 times. Let us see what we'll get. Okay, this one is very good actually. If you see the surrounding, a green surrounding in France, and the details of the windows, the steel, I like the image. So when we like the image, we press this like button here, so we can save it and go back to the organize and access it very quickly. Okay, for this image we have like more than one settings here. In the vary, we can have a subtle varying or strong. each one of the bottoms will generate another image, like it's based on this image that we choose. Let us see what we will get. Okay, as you see, the subtle changes. Did some minor changes in greenery and in windows, maybe the ratio of the building, and some details change. In strong change, did it change the opening? Did it change the shape of the elevation? So I like this. I like this one. This resolution is still low resolution. For it to be like more dense, we can upscale the image. We will go for creative upscale. Okay, this is the image after upscaling. As you can see, the details are more clear, and the image scale is bigger. This is the end of our video today. Midjourney can affect your architecture process in a positive way, whether it's brainstorming ideas or wowing your clients. The possibilities are endless. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. See you in the next videos. Bye bye.